ball. Watch me. I can kick it very far. Here it goes. Oh no, my tulip. Oh, good. My ball is still here. I do not need to look for it. You broke my flower. Wow. She is so cute. Hey, why are you not answering me? You broke my flower pot. Are you listening to me? I am sorry. Do not come near me again. Oh no. I made a bad first impression. It is okay. I will make her smile one day. I think she will love these flowers. Thank you. They're beautiful. Bill, what are you doing? I want to give these flowers to the new girl.
Do you mean Bella?
Her name is Bella? Wow, that is a beautiful name. Mom, how does this bouquet look? It is beautiful. Bella will love it. Bella, are you here? Help! Bella, I have a gift for you. Wait for me.
I am sorry about before. These flowers are for you.
Thank you. Wow, these flowers are so beautiful. There is a worm. It is only a little worm. Ugh, that is not funny. Whoa! What did I do wrong? I think she will never be my friend. Oh, this is my chance. Bella, let me help you. No, I can do it. I can help you. No! Give them back! Ah! Ah! Ah!
See? I told you. I did not need your help.
That was my favorite book. You broke my flower. You laughed at me. Now you ruined my book, too. Stay away from me! Oh, no. I made a mess again. Bill, what happened?
I wanted to be Bella's friend, but I ruined everything. What did you do that made Bella angry?
I broke her tulip. I laughed when she saw a worm. I tore her favorite book. I think Bella will never be my friend.
Bella was right to be upset. You said sorry, but you did not show your heart. Fix what you broke with love. She will see your heart.
Really, Mom?
Huh. Give it a try.
Yes. Maybe I was not nice to him. I hope Bella will like it and forgive me. The tulip is beautiful like her. La 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 la.
What is he doing?
Bella, I do not need your help. Do not bother me. Wait, Bella. I want to give you something. What is it? More flowers with a worm? No. I grew this tulip for you. There is no worm. I laughed because I was silly. I did not want to hurt you. I am really sorry. Did you really grow it for me? Yes. I fixed your book. It is not like before, but I tried my best. I am truly sorry. I am not angry anymore. Thank you for the tulip and my book.
Really? You are not angry anymore?
Can we be friends? Of course. Yes! 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 Bella is my friend now. Do you want to come to my house and eat some cake? Really? Thank you. Ha 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 ha. Let's go eat some cake. Bill, try the cookies I made. Really? You made them? You are so amazing. Bill! 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 Bill!
What? Whoa!
Oh, no! You broke the flower pot again. I am sorry, Bella. Just this one last time. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye! See you next time.